This is L's When You're Not Home, What Your Pet Does piece. This took about 12 hours. I know, tiring, right? Well, I think it was worth it. To be honest with you, it was a humongous accomplishment. Now time for the explaining. So my dog Barkley, as you can tell, a French bulldog. He is a time traveler, but not just a time traveler. He's half on my world, which means he's half a home dog and half a time traveler. So right now, as you can see, this is his home part, and he's wearing a collar, and this is his time traveling part. He's wearing a pirate suit. Why? Because he's traveling to Malaysia. Malaysia has varieties of ships and pirates. Okay. So as you can see, he's traveling to Malaysia, and this is where he's about to travel. This is where he's about to land. An island, a beach. This is what he's gonna wear. He can control what he's gonna wear if he wants to. This is where you type in where he wants to go. This is how cold and how hot it's gonna be there, and this is controlling the world. So on the other hand, his home side, right now in this case, is my bedroom. So this is his little bed, comfy little bed, and it has B, stands for Barkley. This is my lovely bed, very comfy. It's made out of wood and has a lot of textures, and then the bed has a lot of textures too. This is a night table, if you can't see that. There's a lamp there and a few drawers. This is the family picture. If you don't know this person, it's my sister, my twin sister, as you know, Jay. This is my dog, Barkley, and in this part of the world, he's the home dog. And this is me. So we're kind of like a family, 3 and everyone. So this is my When You're Not Home, What Your Pet Does piece. Click like and subscribe button below for more videos to come. Thank you for watching. Learn Art with J and L. Bye!